Alright, welcome. In lesson number 1 for Excel VBA Programming Basics, we'll go through the 3 basic key terms and definitions. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, so the first word we are going to learn is VBA. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Application, and it is a programming language, alright, designed by Microsoft, and it is used to write commands or codes to tell Excel or any other Microsoft Office applications like Word, Outlook, and PowerPoint to perform an action or task for you. Alright, so the second word is module. Module is the page in Visual Basic Editor where you write your code, command, or macro. Now, the code or command or macro is just the same thing. Now, Visual Basic Editor is the window which contains the page module. Okay, so you'll see here. So when you're at the Home tab, now you're at the Home tab, so you just scroll along to the right. Scroll along to the right, go to the Developer tab, go to Visual Basic, you click on it, and you open up this window, and this window is the Visual Basic Editor. Alright, and the page where I'm typing right now, that is the module where you write your code or your command in. Alright, so just be clear, Visual Basic Editor is the window, and the page where I'm typing right now is the module. Now, the last word that we'll define is macro. Macro is also known as procedure or routine or sub-procedure or subroutine, alright? And like we saw, macro is the code that you write to give instructions to Excel to perform a task, alright? So macro is just the code that you write down. Now, before you go, I just want to give you a piece of reminder. You have to remember that you are a limitless being living inside a limited body. Okay, what you see, feel, hear, smell, and taste are all limited, but what you imagine is limitless, and the world is created by imagination. This is from the Limitless Mind Power. Thank you.